area.
Yes, we've been watching it all week long. It is an alert day. Jordan's got more on the specifics for what we can expect at home. We're already seeing some clearing take place across parts of Alabama. Look at this view. This is from Demopolis in Marengo County. Blue sky. That means there's some pockets of dry air, and as we see some of that dry air wrap around the storm, we expect the temperature to climb a bit with more sunshine, and that actually increases our instability. And so that could mean a heightened risk of severe weather this afternoon into this evening. We've got temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Of course, it's much cooler today with the clouds around. You can see the clearing that's taking place across South Alabama and even some pockets across Central Alabama, but cloud cover is much more dense. As that dry air wraps around Francine, again, that is going to promote some clearing, and we think that will heighten our instability parameters. As far as rain goes, this is WVTM 13 live Doppler radar right now. There are some heavier pockets over Samantha, stretching through Aliceville and Carrollton down to Utah, and then south over Dallas counties, but just not much rain out there. We have no active severe weather at this point in time. We're not even under a tornado watch or anything like that. There are tornado watches down to the south, and this may shift northward in the coming hours. This is Tropical Depression Francine. This is expected to become extra tropical or weaken later today into this evening, but you can still see the very pronounced counterclockwise flow with a low pressure system. And as it swirls up the southeast, it's moving these bands across Alabama. And so later this afternoon, with the proper instability and lift, we could see some of these bands produce some convective thunderstorms. And in other words, some of them may actually be heavy and produce some severe characteristics too. Heavy rain today, strong wind gusts. I want to show you those real quickly. We're going to continue to gust close to 35 and 40 through this afternoon, especially over southwest Alabama first, and then through the evening hours, these wind gusts gradually shift northward. Jordan's got more on the specifics, and we're also watching the potential for flooding. How much rain, Jordan?